Go ahead.
I did it, Daddy. I washed my hands.
You better pay attention, Reed. Whoops. 2 hands maybe is probably better.
What did you say, Daddy?
Okay, I think you got it now. Oops, in the bowl, in the bowl.
I did it. Try not to put the shell in it. Don't! Reed is putting the shell! Reed, don't put the shell! Reed, do not put the shell in it. I'll wash it. Reed, you can't wash eggs.
Nicely done. Oh, okay, you gonna do one now, Reed?
Would you like me to put your... No! Reed, I know you can't do it. Do a bigger one.